Oh, welcome to my channel. This is Giuseppe Welding Store. I would like to show you on what I'm working. And this is it. It's called a bullet trap. There are 5. Now I'm going to weld this. I'm going to show you how I'm going around. Only one shot from this point to this point. It's not easy because you have to move around, you will see. But see what I'm good to do. Now you will hear noise because I will put my extractor fan on. Alright, I go.
Come with me and you'll see the world is full of imagination.
Alright, done. Here doesn't look very well, but unfortunately not all the times the welder comes good like I want. On some, how you can see, is very neatly and clean. But unfortunately not all the times it does, especially when you move around. If something is going to change on your position, you just move a little bit. That's it. This is it. Thanks for watching. Bye.